mangabe unentombi
Sure.
uyazi ukuthi every month uyinikeza u5,000
Sure.
mfethu sicela umgcine kuwe leyo sisi umgcine kuwe ungamlethi kithini
Sure.
uma ngabe unomfazi kunento omjwayeze yona leyo nto wamjwayeza nisaqala
Sure.
no keep that same.
Do you know ukuthi umuntu yakhona okusondela kuwe afuna ukwazi ukuthi ama standards wakho yimaphi wena ufuna indoda enjani ufuna umfazi onjani and guess what uyazazi loyo muntu ukuthi akayona lento othe wena uyayifuna but guess what ahambe ayogqoka imask and make sure man ukuthi uba yilento wena othe uyayifuna yabona tenda ama standard ugqoke
ngesikujaje uma ngabe ku relationship yes2 or yes3
Sure.
kodwa mabunda 10
in 6 months
in 6 months 10 wena no zinuka amakhwapha mabuka no zinuka I'm paying for
Something's wrong with you.
iyafana nalento ukuthi khayikini uphumelele ube nemali
sure
bakutrithiswe kwenkosi
Sure.
but ngaze kuphela umsebenzi
Ayi.
bakutrithiswa kolwabisha bakutrithiswa kwephepha bakutrithiswa kwetoilet
Sure.
awuyinto yalutho
kunomuntu oqabanga kwangathi abantu abamfuni kanti inkinga nguye in reality akuphileki nawe like akuphileki nawe 5 or 10 minutes with you it's enough. You are just unreliable. Abafazi bafuna simamele or sithobele ama standards wabo but they are not willing kuze bona bathobele awethu
konje ngisho mabunda nina nithela yamablom phansi mayengena surprise
wathi nina mabunda ufayelani mina. Greetings South Africa, this is Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi. Welcome to Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi. This is a podcast bafethu enaziyo sihlezi sikhuluma izinto ezinjalo. We speak the truth as it is. We having conversations that seek to empower every person that gets an opportunity to watch this particular podcast. So bafethu, as always, I'm not alone. I'm always with Ubhuti lana Sibude.
mabunda mfethu Grant
But I'm okay wena.
No ngiright mfethu sibingelele yonke South Africa. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi. No uNkulunkulu sasithwele bafowethu usahamba nathi even nakulesi sikhathi. And Real Talk, and thank you so much for those who are subscribing and for those who are commenting. Like no siyabona kakhulu bafowethu siyabona kakhulu futhi siyabonga kakhulu. And yeah ngibonile seba comment amabunda baseba like nabanye. Thank you so much family, we are a family. And for those nje abadinga nje ukusponsor bafowethu, you can just inbox us kwa Facebook Amadoda Anyakazi Sumuzi noma kwa TikTok okule number 0646200751. bafowethu siyanithanda kakhulu and remember ningakhohlwa Real Talk sikhuluma izinto njoba zinjalo.
Budi,
Sure.
how was your weekend sir?
No mfethu weekend yami be right ngasho ukuthi nje bengibheka ibhola. Yeah, bengibheka ibhola ize.
Wenzani PSG?
PSG ngosiyami sinikeza amathemba amanye amakhulu kabi. Washo ukuthi manje bayishaya 3-0 ishaywa iChelsea mfowethu. And the last two games mayishaya Real Madrid ne Inter Miami le team ka Messi. Yabo bona man ukuthi no ilaqaza kwasani. So the expectations were high. I'm very disappointed sir.
What do you think went wrong with PSG adlala? What do you think actually mawuthi you check and you analyze the match? Yini obona ngathi ayazi la PSG bedile la?
Mina but I can say PSG into eshayile kakhulu. Mhlawumbe ibukele phansi Chelsea. And number 2 I can say as we're speaking now ukuthi I think they studied PSG indlela edlala ngakhona and they capitalize on that and nenye into futhi mabunda I give credit to goalkeeper we Chelsea abafana mfethu bebashaya kufana. And also futhi I defense system ye Chelsea it was very strong kakhulu mabunda kakhulu hayi ukuthi bebangafika epalini cha abafana bebafika. You understand? So nje yeah what's your take and that because
I think ukuthi PSG mfethu it's a very good club. It plays a very beautiful style of football. But I think they underestimated Chelsea. And I think ukuthi they thought ukuthi le style abasebenzise ku Inter Milan ne but in Real Madrid it's gonna be the same thing. Kanti sometimes you need to be able to confuse your enemy kancane and not use the very same thing, because if you can check they made sure that Chelsea plays the football ye PSG. Angazi if it makes sense. So wakabona like uyola nesitha isitha sidlale the way udlala ngakhona. Now when awusazi ukuthi kwamele udlale kanjani, you get what I'm saying? So they literally use their own style on you, yabona.
Yo, so kahle basebenzise your own method, your own medicine.
Yes, that's that if you can put it that way. But which leads to one of the conversation that I wish we can have today, that I want us to have, not wish that we can have. Indaba ya self sabotage, yabona. Yokuthi kunabantu abazibulalelayo amathuba ngokwabo.
Okay,
I don't know if it makes sense. Uthola ukuthi ke umuntu, the opportunity was his, but excitement imenze ukuthi angazi prepare ngendlela kosa prepare ngayo. Angazi if it makes sense. Or maybe underestimate the opportunity I tholile. I don't know if it makes sense. If ana nomjida mfethu kube nomuntu esifazana lo bekaloka amfuna for such a long time, then actually opportunity yokuba naye lo yomuntu, but afambula izinto yena.
But ngiye ngithi mina Mabunda kungcono
sure
wena kuba umuntu okathekayo,
sure,
but kuyingozi uma wena usuyi-atheka wena personally.
Yo,
you understand?
Sure.
That is why odokotela baye bethi singcono isilonda esingaphandle
sure
kunesilonda esingaphakathi.
Sure.
Because isilonda esingaphandle yakhona shawa umoya,
sure,
ukwazi ukusitreata kahle ngoba uyasibona, but in fact isilonda esingaphakathi it's whereby kuba nzima ukuthi sikwazi ukupholiswa noma wena usipholise. Kuba njalo as a person uma ngabe uzisabotaja wena, uzishaya wena. That is why noNkulunkulu angeke akwazi ukukusiza up until wena wamkela futhi uaccepta yena ngaphakathi kwakho ukuthi kube uyena odila naleyo. You understand? La ngibone khona but ukuthi uyabona umuntu upowerful.
Sure.
Umuntu yakwazi ukublock uNkulunkulu. Kanjani Mabunda? Ile verse la khona uJesu athi ngimile eminyango ngiyancongcoza.
Sure.
Ongivulelayo ngiyongena ngidle naye. You understand? Okusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakwazi njengomuntu ukungamamkela umblock.
Sure.
Because uyazazi ukuthi no, I'm right with myself kanti sozibulala wena. You understand? So into yangaphakathi Mabunda, it's very deep as a person because of leyo nto yinto mfowethu akekho nabani ongakusiza but wena ongayisiza.
You know, but we are human beings, right?
Sure.
And now there's something that I've noticed about myself. Wake was born up with, you know what? If ngabe ngenza izinto the way ngenza ngakhona, I would have been far in life. One of the things personally, I wanted to ask you this question. One of the things that I've noticed that made me to struggle in my life, not in particular in life. One of the things that I struggle with, which is a bad habit actually, which leads to self-sabotage. I tend to say I will do things at this particular time. Ngigcine ngazenzi ngaleso sikhathi. Angazi if it makes sense. Now kugcine kubuildeke ihabit yokuprospona izinto kose ngizenze. Uthola ukuthi now kunento esira sokumele ngiyenzile, ngigcine ngasayenzi simply because of ngizijwayele ukuthi ngiyaprospona njalo makose ngenza into. Angazi if it makes sense. So I wanted to ask you a question yokuthi in your life as usibusiso Manga, is there anything that you realize ukuthi normal hasn't put, if I could do this or if I could get rid of this kind of a habit, maybe I would accelerate or push faster, anything that you feel like this thing for me as I think le young self-sabotage and ngizibulala mina ngokwenza le
nto le. Mina put one thing I've discovered, kulula to set ama systems.
Sure.
Maybe mangifale igama system, it's a big word. kulula to set yourself ama timetable.
Sure.
Okay, Monday ngizokwenza 1 2 no 3,
Sure.
Tuesday ngenza 1 2 no 3.
Sure.
But into enzima kakhulu i-consistency
Yo.
kuleyo nto oyisetile.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
As for me ngingasho ukuthi bhuti into engishaya kakhulu ileyo nto ukuthi ngiplan izinto.
Sure.
But Monday ngiyayenza, Tuesday next week ngiyenza. You get what I'm saying?
Uyiqalile first week, second week it's difficult.
It's difficult consistency kahle kahle, you understand? And bhuti I'm going to be honest with you.
Sure.
Into eshayayo noma esenza, because this is a real talk.
Sure.
Esenza ukuthi singakhona ukuachieve ezinye zezinto.
Sure.
Ile ukuthi Mabunda we expect result immediately.
Sure.
Into mhlawumbe let's say kune business ofuna ukulicala.
Sure.
Ule expect business mawulicala seliyabhoma seliyaphezulu.
Yo.
Kanti mfethu one thing I've realized about mawenza into
Sure.
is the more you find your niche,
Sure.
is the more you excel kulento oyenzayo.
Sure.
So into eshaya kakhulu Mabunda ukuze singa excel on what we do or singalo ilento lo ukuthi si expect ukuthi into masiyicala ivele yenzeke ivele ihambe, kanti no, it's not like that.
You know, but I'm sitting here
Sure.
and I'm thinking about one of the things that abantu abazenza to self-sabotage. Uthola ukuthi kunomuntu mfethu that fails at managing money. Angazi if it makes sense.
Sure.
That is one of the things that people say, do that self-sabotage their financial life. Uthola ukuthi uNkulunkulu has blessed you with money. You earn money. Kodwa awazi ukuthi phelela kuphi. Simply because of you do not have in place a budgeting system. Or you don't know what are your monthly costs, what are your monthly expenses. Uthola ukuthi phuthi umuntu mfethu uyahola imali uyayithola. But makosenze lezinto athe uzozenza. You know, but it's easy to budget imali ngekho. Mayisayila but you can plan. If ngenzeka ng 25,000 I'm going to buy 1 2 3 4 5. Money my figure. Awusadli endlini. Yeah, take away why.
Which is true, Puti, which is true, and funny enough, even nalento le ikona nasothandweni. I'll explain kanjani.
Sure.
Puti, I've discovered something. That
Sure.
is why mina Puti angisajajuliswa ukuthi abantu bayathandana, uthando liyavutha.
Sure.
Uthando lwabo luphezulu, uthando liyavutha. But mina into engijabulisayo
Sure.
is to sustain lo thando oluvuthayo. Hayi ukuthi nithi niyathandana then leyo nto le iphelela esithubeni.
Sure.
Naye ke Mabunda into eshayana.
Yeah.
Ave kunzima ukutshela umuntu njalo ukuthi uyamthanda.
Hey.
Ave kunzima ukutshela umuntu njalo ukuthi muhle.
Hey.
Ave kunzima but ukuthi you gonna be there nomuntu consistently ukhuluma naye njalo, you have to show. Ave kunzima.
Sure.
Ingena kuzo zonke izinto, even nakuma areas othando. That's why mina Puti I won't lie to you. Yabo lama first stage nithi bo red flag flavor or red what
leyo nama
honeymoon face cha lezo hayi mina lento ngijaja ngokuthi constantly kangakanani ekwenzeni leyo nto.
You know, Puti, kukhona amajita ahlezi manje ne, and they realize that, you know what, my partner umuntu ogrand. But ngazimosha mina ngokumintroduce kwezinto engazi kahle ukuthi ngeke ngizimaintain.
I wrong nayo.
Angazi if it makes sense. For example, maybe ngifuna ukumimpress, ngiyaqala ke ngathenga ama flower, ngaqala ke ngimnikeza imali. I relationship isaqala singakayi kude. Okusho ukuthi ke ngifake isystem engeke ngikhona ukuyimaintain in the long run. That is one of the things that people do to self sabotage. Uthola ukuthi umntana abantu right and bekangazi expectanga lezi zinto kuzuzenza. Mara since wena ke was introduced, there is an expectation that you should carry on doing them. And kunzima.
Mina that is why but mangabe unentombi.
Sure.
Uyazi ukuthi every month uyinikeza u5,000.
Sure.
Mfethu sicela umgcine kuwe leyo sisi. Umgcine kuwe ungamlate kithini.
Sure.
uma ngabe unomfazi kunento omjwayeze yona leyo nto wamjwayeza nisaqala
Sure.
no keep that same mabe bojwayela ukumthengela ama Brazilian hair or ama weave abo 5000
Sure.
mina ngumabuda mfethu ngiyazama elokishini
Sure.
sengizodibana naleyo gelo nesohlukane na uma ngabe umuntu umjwayeza isoft life continue ne soft life yakho because now thina abanye uma sesothandana naye wena sekahlukene nawe funa manje thina singene lapho cha mabe nje umuntu nje umjwayezile qhubeka angeke but ukuthi uqale into
Sure.
bese uzohlule kuyimaintain that is why but mina I won't lie to I think iyona into eshaya abantu abaningi othandweni
Sure.
umuntu athi ekuqaleni kuthandana azibone yena awu Romeo
Sure.
ya kunamakhandlela wa maintain lamakhandlela abovu nalawa amhlophe nalama konje ngisho mabunda nina nithela yama bloom pants mayengena surprise
wathi nina mabunda ngifayelani mina
you understand mabunda
Sure.
I'm being for real maintain that thing baba
Sure.
maintain that thing
Sure.
there's no way kungcono mabunda uqale into uzo maintain
Sure.
kunokuthi uqale into ungeke uyimaintain
sure you know I'm thinking here to say hey le generation esiphila kiyo body it's hard
sure
why do I say it's hard but it's because of we are surrounded by abantu that can't take responsibility
which is true
for izinto ezenzakalile is there are there any friendships I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm interviewing you I'm just trying to give a viewer a clear of our conversation with Lasiakon. Are there any friendships or relationships that in your life when you look back you're like yazini kwafambula mina lapha angazi if it makes sense whether it's a friend engakhula naye but saqabana you get what I'm saying at the end of the day this brotherhood yagcina seyimosheka singasabonani but mangithi ngiyacheck umjida bekuyi out grand beyangiphilela mara mina ngabhayiziseka ngasangisamphilela or maybe a relationship where you realize you know what that particular person ayibeka right man but wafambula mina
Sure.
because sinabantu puti that are not willing to own up to their mistakes. Everything it's the other person that did everything wrong. Ayena in the picture agekho emsebenzini baqoshile awusho ukuthi mina ngangifika late awusho ukuthi ngangasubmit izinto lezi bokose ngisubmit ngesikhathi but it's always the other person. When are you going to take responsibility? So angazi put ukuthi on your side are there any friendships, relationships, colleagues or anything that you realize you know what with this particular person we were close but I did fumble.
Okay. Puti, I wanna make this example, ne?
Sure.
I wanna make this example.
Sure.
And now uzongisiza kulento because I want us ukuthi see clarify this
Sure.
thing. There's what we call a beggar.
Sure.
Ibeggar umuntu onjani ocelayo.
Ocelayo njalo, yeah.
Bese kuba khona umuntu ogrand elifini.
Sure.
Ibeggar most of the time icela kumuntu ogrand.
Sure.
But ngiyavuma kuleyo nto I've once did that thing.
Sure.
But I want us to illustrate this thing before I go there.
Sure.
But uma ngabe uku friendship nomuntu
Sure.
ningabangani
Sure.
mangabe mhlambe uku relationship nomuntu
Sure.
uma kuzoba nguwo fonayo kuzoba nguwo textayo kuzoba uwe owenza ama abilities imizamo ama effort kube uwe njalo uwe but yena urelaxile you are a beggar
Yo,
yena uyisicebi
sure.
shothi yena urich
Sure.
that is why but mina angiba blame abantu abangilahla ngingabanaki it's because bengibenza kungathi amabhega baloko bakhothamela mina
Yo.
mina that's why but I won't lie to you ngikhuluma lento because namkhona abantu engake ngabenza leyo nto and then nami bakhona abake bangenza sothi manje yimi ngedwa who always reach out mina okay ngumngani wakho singabangani we are friends
Sure.
kuba yimi engiloko ngivashela wena ukwazi wangivakashele la ngihlala khona okusho ukuthi ngimi beggar wena uyisicebi mina ufuna ngikhothamele wena because asike sichaze into beggar okusho ukuthi uyamworship uyacela uyaguca njalo uwe because mabonda sikhuluma iqiniso umuntu ocelayo oyibeggar uyena ohleze aya kulo isicebi
Sure. That's true.
Kodwa lo oyisiceba akezi kubheka.
That's true.
Okusho every time when uncenga umuntu noma kuba uwoncenga shothi uyayibheka. Mina futhi I've once did kunabantu engabenza leyo nto.
Sure.
You understand? And
They're the one that are forced to text.
yeah, to text
They're the one that are forced to call, check up, book rent.
That is why ke Mabunda once wayeka ukwenza into whether friendship, relationship, family ukubenzela into yaphela leyo relationship okusho wena boyibheka.
I hear you.
Wena but bakhona abantu okwawabo abanakhonje.
Mina bakhona but
Sure.
My there was a season in life. This is one of the things but this is in Saskiyo. One of the things that I regret to this day. Kunabantu that gave me access to their lives, access to their pockets. And as if it makes sense, umuntu athi Mabunda, if you are stranded mfethu, don't stress, reach out. Now, I lost relationships and friendships by not knowing when to stop. And as if it makes sense.
Sure.
Ngamanye magama, those people when they were saying Mabunda, we are here when you need help. It's years later that I understood what they meant. This is what they meant. Bebangathi sifuna uze njalo uzocela kithi. But whenever you want to create something that will bring income to you, reach out to us. And as if it makes sense. Okusho ukuthi ke I'm available to help you, but not to help you in form ukuthi I want you to rely on me, but to help you in form yokuthi ke ngukwenza ungasadependi kumina,
ube independent.
You get what I'm saying? So kusho ukuthi if you have a business yokuqala amakoto, you have any kind of business that you have and you need money or equipment, reach out to me and let's see how I can assist you in getting izinto ezokwenza ukuthi ukhona ukuzenzela imali. But guess what? Hayi ke imloyo 24 puti awungizame ngo3 clipper lapho. Puti angizame ngo300 lapho 500 lapho. You get what I'm saying? Not knowing that by so doing they realizing no, this person is now we have like our own needs. You get what I'm saying? So it got to a point where I felt maybe like umuntu athi akana mali, you end up feeling as if you're entitled agafuni. People have real issues. So now but I've had those points in life whereby I just did not know when to stop. So sometimes in life you don't have to always ask, even if you are given a key, know when to stop.
Yeah, but vet yazi yabhlungu leyo nto mfethu.
Sure.
Mina but what I can say based on the conversation that we are having.
Sure.
Ave kubhlungu.
Sure.
Mina that's why ungizwe kahle but nabasibukeli bangabe offended ngalento engizoyikhuluma.
Sure.
Yabona Mabunda ungaze ungene ku friendship.
Sure.
Ube ku friendship ube nabangana abawu 10.
Sure.
In a year.
Sure.
Or ube nabangana abawu 10 in 3 months.
Sure.
Or ube ungene kuma relationship ahlukene.
Sure.
Awuzinuka amakhwapha. Because sonokwenzeka inkinga uthi ingaphandle kanti inkinga ikuwe.
Yo.
Buti kunabantu abakhalayo bathi mina ngiyahetha othandweni, mina bangenza inothandweni, mina ngihlali kuma relationships. Umbuzo ngesijudge uma ngabe ku relationship yes2 or yes3.
Sure.
Kodwa Mabunda 10
in 6 months.
In 6 months 10 wena. No zinuka amakhwapha Mabunda. No zinuka I'm paying for
something's wrong with you.
Mina there was a time, there was a season in my life.
Sure.
Wapha na man Buddha uyinceka uNkulunkulu ndoda awuzinuka awuyothandaza uyozila ukudla. Shothi uNkulunkulu awumphilele izona. Because ungizwe kahle Mabunda angeke mfowethu ukuthi kubo bonke labantu abawu10 akekho no right oyi1. Sama kukhona into off ngawo, khona into wrong because ungizwe kahle Mabunda.
Sure.
Sisheshe kakhulu ukugceka abantu. Sakhohlwa ukuyichecka thina ukuthi asinalo yini Mabunda bathini lesifo lesa seBhayibhelini Mabunda.
Leprosy.
Yeah. Cishe ngathi khonqonqo ukhololo.
Sure.
Mabona sisheshe ukujudge abantu.
Sure.
Ukuthi bona basimoshayo.
Sure.
Kanti kwathina nathi we've got our own things esidila nazo.
You know mawukhuluma sobhuti, I'm thinking here to say kunomuntu oqabanga kwangathi abantu abamfuni kanti inkinga nguye in reality. Akuphileki nawe. Like akuphileki nawe. 5 or 10 minutes with you, it's enough. You are just unreliable. But at the end of the day, wena uthi inkinga wonke umuntu nje ufuna ukuthi wonke umuntu emhlabeni uzonda wena, uzonda. Yazi kunabantu futhi abanomoya ukuthi bona bayathakatha.
Yebo.
Umuntu athi abantu abangifuni bafuna ukuthi everyone can just stop their lives just to focus on you. Ufuna ukutshela ukuthi bonke labangane abangasakhulumisi manje. Ufuna ukutshela ukuthi everyone that has left your life, it's their fault. When are you gonna sit down and do some self-introspection and you realize and ask yourself, okay, what is it that I'm doing right? What is it that I'm doing wrong? Another thing,
sure.
Do you know, Puti, one of the problems that we have in our generation,
sure,
when it comes to women, I'm gonna say this, and abafazi bazongizonda for le nto ngizoyisho manje.
Ikhulume baba.
Abafazi bafuna simamele or sithobele ama standards wabo, but they are not willing kuze bona bathobele awethu.
Yo but
angazi if it makes sense. Umuntu wesifazane abe nama standards to say indoda mayifuna mina kwamele ibe na 1 2 3 4 5. Wena as a man, the minute to make ama standards wakho to say for me the kind of a woman that I need, she should have this and this and this and this, they attack you. So there are women today that are singing because banama standards abo and namadoda anama standards abo. And uthola ukuthi wonke ama standards walo nama standards walo aya contradict, and no one is willing to compromise some of the standards so that we can be able to fit each other perfectly.
Well, yazi bhuti lento oyishoyo, it makes me ukuthi ngijule.
Sure.
Ngalento eskiyo. You know, once you mention ukuthi no mina ngizothandana nomuntu onama standards anje.
Sure.
Noma nama standards anje.
Sure.
Okusho ukuthi mawungana standard, I disqualify you to fall in love now.
Sure, yeah.
Noma unothando lwakho.
But if you don't reach,
if awunawo ama standard hambe yobhubha nothando lwakho. It makes me ukuthi sisengxakini namhlanje nasi sixhosa, sisenkingeni.
Sure.
Emathandweni nakuma relationships because nama standard. Kanti mabunda kudala mfowethu ngangikuthanda ngoba unguwe.
Sure.
Ngangakuthanda ngoba unezinto ezithize uachieve in. Yeah, but ukachieve kube ibonus othandweni.
Hey, but
mina I'm being for real. But amajita ungabuza agrand life in namhlanje or mhlambe ananani.
Sure.
About alebo 60. Mawungambuza, umbuza uthi in your lifetime usasemathandweni awukazi wa rejecta imede grant. Nabo sisi ungababuza namhlanje ngoba bathi abashadile bona amadoda adlala ngabo nani. Somewhere somehow kwaba nendoda ethize right enothando kwasho ukuthi yena ubuka ama standards aloyo. Kanti le ndoda inothando genuine along the way uThixo bekazombusisa ngobe nawo.
Sure.
You understand mabona? Mina I won't lie to you. Siklenxaki noma sikulobishi noma sikulodaka esikilo, it's because of mabunda we've got ama standards. Yet mabunda into esihlanganisile mina nawe uthando. But when amazofaka izinto eziphathekayo yet uthando lwethu mfethu it has to be genuine.
Sure.
But that is why we cannot mention love and exclude God.
That's true.
Mina one of the things ezangenza ngasindiswa,
sure,
ezangenza ngambona uNkulunkulu,
sure,
ukuthi uNkulunkulu angithande,
sure,
noma ngibuye emanyaleni. Uthando lwakhe lwangenza ngazibuka,
sure,
isimengiso,
sure,
ngabheka uthando, ngathi angiqualify ukuthandwa ngikulesimo engikusona. Ngabheka udakwe ngilo, ngabheka uNkulunkulu nothanda angithanda edakeni. Uthando lolu ngabona uyangithanda ngasuka edakeni ngeza kuyena.
Sure.
You understand? Sure. So mina that's why but ungazu mention izinto uyihlanganise nothando. That's not love. I'm being for real. Iyafana nalento mabunde, let's go deeper now.
Sure.
Iyafana nalento ukuthi khayikini uphumelele ube nemali.
Sure.
bakutreatiswe kwenkosi
Sure.
but ngaze kuphela umsebenzi
Ayi.
bakutreatiswa kolwabishi
Smooth.
bakutreatiswa kwephepha bakutreatiswa kwetoilet
Sure.
awuyinto yalutho
Sure.
leyo nto ikhomba khona ke Mabunda ukuthi asikwazi ukuhlanganisa uthando nezinto eziphathekayo
Yo.
because if ifamily member beyikuthanda ayikuthande noma imoto esengasekho
Sure.
ayikuthande noma umsebenzi ophelile
Sure.
inkinga sinabantu abahlanganisa uthando nezinto eziphathekayo
You know Bhuti mawukhuluma ngothando nezinto eziphathekayo I'm reminded about one of the disadvantages of izinto zama standards.
Sure.
Do you know ukuthi umuntu yakhona okusondela kuwe afuna ukwazi ukuthi ama standards wakho yimaphi
Yo.
wena ufuna indoda enjani ufuna umfazi onjani and guess what uyazazi loyo muntu ukuthi akayona lento othe wena uyayifuna but guess what ahambe ayogqoka imask and make sure mangu ukuthi uba yilento wena othe uyayifuna yabona danger ama standard
kuyingakho sinegebelo.
ugqoke imask waba yilento oyifunayo wakuthola manje njengoba sekakutholile ukhumula imask ke asivezeke
ngisengaphakathi.
sengaphakathi manje you get what I'm saying akukhombisa ukuthi no lama standards lawa all these things ngizenzile for wena now I have you and I'm like this angazi if it makes sense ingakho futhi isiZulu siqinisile masithi intombi ishelwa ngamanga ngamanye kama mango you become something that you are not nomuntu wesifazana mango can become something that she's not just to get you athi uma sekakutholile mango aphendukeke sekaziveza yabona mina nje ingakho ama standards sometimes you can set them and make them nizodibana nezigebengu ezihlakaniphile izigebengu ezihlakaniphile zona nizodibana nazo ziwamide lama standards as ama actors let me explain what is an actor.
Sure.
An actor is someone that is able to read a script and bring that which is on a script to life. Does it make sense? Okusho ukuthi ke ufunda iscript athatha lento ayifunda escriptini ayenze
ibe live
wena nama standards wakho iscript osinikeza umuntu kanti awazi unikeza iactor elizomake sure ukuthi liyayinaila le character le
I'm defeated no say I'm truly defeated
sure
let's go back to last buya khona Mabunda
sure
but I've been hurt
sure
I've been disappointed but inhliziyo yami ike yaravazwa
hayibo mama bayihlafuna
and mfana uthando lento ama relationship ayinandaba nokuthi unogcobo
sure
ayinandaba ukuthi ungupresident unguRamaphosa unguTrump
sure
nabo Trump uma singahlala nabo la sibabuze bazokutshela ukuthi ngake ngaravazwa
sure
ngake ngenza in
sure
and but I won't lie to you life has taught me ukuthi kungcono umuntu abe genuine ngibona ubiyena bakhe aziveze ubiyena bakhe ngimane ngimthandela ubiyena kunokuthi Mabunda ngithola iaccident yothando
yo
Mabunda uyayazi accident yothando
sure
but kunabantu bebaphila kahle empilweni
sure
beba excel esikoleni beba excel emsebenzini
Sure.
but banele ukuthola iaccident othandweni they lost everything
sure
but mina I won't lie to you real lento Mabunda lento yothando
sure
ngazi ukuthi kungcono nalokulimala lapha emgacweni
Sure.
kunokuthi ulimala othandweni
Sure.
because ukulimala othandweni Mabunda you'll give up on everything so it's better umuntu abe real nami
Sure.
it's better umuntu angikhomba ukuthi no mina sibungi nje
Yeah.
mina ngimnyama ngithande nobumnyama bami
Sure.
than mfethu ukuthi uzongifakela imask noma uzongifakela imakeup uthi maso la ekhambeni kwendlela ungihlubulela imakeup and Mabunda we are talking about a heart here
sure
we are talking about because mina ungizwa kahle Mabunda mina ngihlulekile but
Sure.
mina that's me
Sure.
mina ungeze empilweni yami ngithanda real
sure
futhi uma ngabe ngikuthanda ngabe ngikuthanda but uma ngingakuthandi ngikufihla ngathi ngiyakuthanda kodwa ngingakuthanda mntasa ka 2 months umningi ngizokukhomba ucha ngikuthanda because mina ubumina bami angikhoni ukuthi ngizoyifake leyo nto
Sure.
kungcono but ukuthi
ungikhomba ubuwena angeke Mabunda ngiyokuthanda nobuwena ngireject nobuwena. You know but we live in a generation whereby umuntu akuthande bese akuprotecte ngamanga.
That's lento ngisho.
Yeah. Umuntu uthi uyakuthanda kodwa akuprotecte ngamanga. What do I mean by that? Uyazazi ukuthi kunezinto anazi. Let me give a practical example that most guys tend to deal with. Udibana nomuntu esifazana namhlanje. Loyo muntu osifazana akakudisclosele ukuthi unomntwana or loyo mjida akakudisclosele ukuthi unomntwana. You get what I'm saying? Then as time goes on uthi akakutshela ukuthi unomntwana simply because of uyakuprotecta kanti leyo nto it's more damaging. Kanti kungcono mawufika uziveza to say mfethu mina I'm like this financially I'm at this point in life it's at this particular time. You get what I'm saying? So that umuntu understand ukuthi ngidibana nomuntu the way angakhona because kunamajita mfethu azenza kwangathi anemali kanti imali ayikho. You know very well that you are hustling. U30,000 rand ye rent ukhipha umuntu esifazana umise on a date. Manje the whole month you are big simply because of what if you were honest with the lady to say mfethu this is me.
Yeah.
In life it's at this stage. Income yam it's at this level. It's either you accept me the way I am or I train I hambe iqhubeka istimela yabona bazasigibela kwesinye station abantu. But our challenge man abantu abafuna ukuvela the way bangakhona. Angazi if it makes sense. So how I so wish we can understand the power of being open. Ngamane umuntu akuzone because man at the end of the day i-CV oyoyifaka they're gonna do a background check. And once they do a background check iqiniso liyove
and nomsebenzi unoku-expose
but nomsebenzi unoku-expose you can enter ngama qualification are fake but the truth one day will come out.
Angazi but I was still safe. Siyoyivala. Okay, yeah. But you know lento ekuthiwa self-sabotage i-real.
Sure.
What do I mean man it's irreal? Irreal ngalendlela yokuthi uyaba nabangani.
Sure.
Ube nabangani maybe abangani bakho niyaphila namajita nani.
Sure.
So ukuthi lamajita ophila nawo bona impilo zabo zi right financially. Wena financial awukho grant. And bona umuphila nabo kunezinto abazenzayo abangani bakho.
Sure.
But wena uyazazi Mabunda mfethu imali ihola ilesi.
Sure.
Ubese wena uhamba ngetrend noma uhamba ngokuthi bona benzani. Kanti leyo nto bayenza ngokwamandla abanawo ngokwefinance.
Sure.
Wena ungene wenze lezo zinto kanti amandla akhe finance awalingani nawabo.
Sure.
That's a self sabotage. Iyafana nalento ukuthi ube nabangani Mabunda. Bona ama relationship wabo ayabheda.
Sure.
Bazenzela nje yabo bazenzela because kunabantu abanjalo vele bayebhedela kuma relationship.
Sure.
Wena uthola i-cherry grant noma uthola indoda e-right.
Sure.
And nansi into uma kuthi uya self sabotage uyababona bona abananda abafoni ababacheck abantu babo.
Sure.
Why? Because kuyazenzela kuyayidlalela.
Sure.
Ababa text abenza in when uadopt ihabit yakamakhelwane uriyomngane kanti sobulala le relationship onayo because wena uma ngabe bazokubona ufona bakubona uyislima kungcono ube yislima phambi kwabo kodwa kwakho seni right
safe. Yeah,
you understand? There's a peace at home because sidudane ngezinto ezirong kanti Mabunda at the end of the day hi relationship le angeke ushade nabo angeke wenze in nabo because abangani Mabunda basifaka enkingeni.
Sure.
Yabona nalento leyo ukuthi nje athi umuntu why wenza 1 2 no 3 uyislima nana but mawenzela umuntu wakho menzele juni ngoba umthanda.
Sure.
Mangabe vela kudlisa uright naledlisa akudlise ngalo asivale Mabunda.
You know sesiyoyivala man. Wangathi I can warn someone out there. I'm going to say this thing. Guti, it's time as a human being you learn to differentiate between friends, colleagues, and people you know.
Sure.
Can I repeat that? Kunabangani, kunabantu esibaziyo and kunabantu esisebenza nabo. Uma ungakhona ukudifferentiate the three, you're gonna self-sabotage yourself by doing things as wrong simply because of amakholiki wakho ayazenza. The fact ukuthi amakholiki wakho ayalova emsebenzini bathembe ama-doctor's notes, lalela wena kungenzeka ulove uqoshe.
Hey,
kunezinto ezenza ngabantu esisebenza nabo ezi-wrong azikho right, we know.
Yeah.
And bona baya excel ebwrongweni babo.
That's true.
The day wena uyoyenza leyo nto, you're gonna be in trouble. Kunomuntu osebenza naye akatshontshe lapha emsebenzini, izinto zabelungu ziphuma ziphelile nje, imali lapha ukesha kunama cash up ukuthi ayitholile isystem yokuthi uyitshontsha kanjani imali. Umuntu uhamba ne100 rand a day ku cash and inga recognize na ku system ukuthi kune 100 rand enyamaleleni, ingamsebenzela yena loyo muntu. But the day uzoyenza wena uzopaqwa. Can I say something? You can be surrounded by friends that cheat. Hey, believe me, you can be surrounded by friends that cheat. The day you cheat yourself, you're gonna get caught. And ulahlekela ngento ekhona, ngento yento engekho. So be careful of self-sabotaging yourself. Siva, real talk. Yeah, uthi babe manje. Hayibo mama. So ngibiza ngo babe manje. Indoda lentakho ngathi in love kakhulu ke. So ngibiza mina ngo babe.
Ngithe sivale kwasho mali isahlala no baby la ngithe good.
Not. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. See you on the next episode of Real Talk. Have a blessed night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And then we're gonna share my account details for those that wish to give and say, guys, we wanna donate or wanna give and sponsor the podcast in whatsoever way. We love you. Have a blessed night.
Sabo.